Welcome back to John Kleis Car here. My name is Max and today I've got a Land Rover Defender Puma Dash and we sat in it because we've upgraded the alarm system, but this video is about the head unit. So if I spin around, turn on the ignition, stereo lights up, little Land Rover boot up screen is something we would generally put onto all of our units, and here we have the Kenwood fitted in the new doubled in dashboard conversion. Dashboard conversion involves us replacing this entire panel which is in front of us, and it also involves us relocating some of the switch gear over here. Customer's got some charging, USB connection head unit, switch holes for our alarm button and valet switches, and the windows are moved over to the left and right of the head unit. This is the Kenwood head unit. See if you can get a better look of it. We transfer over all of the switches and stuff from the old one to the new system, and you can keep the clock up here. This is my personal favourite, nice flushed in 7-inch. It just looks the best in these vehicles. We do options for a big 10-inch tablet if you want something up here, but I think this is neat. The Kenwood's got wireless Apple CarPlay. As you can see, it's already connected up to my phone. It's got wireless Android Auto. It's got DAB. DAB is picked up through this knackered Natenga aerial. We've replaced the aerial on these. They normally have a pull-up, push-down aerial. That aerial is a lot more robust and Defender-like, and it runs a DAB and the FM, and you get great quality. You get great quality. Going back over to head unit, a little whiz around Apple CarPlay in the stereo. This is the home screen. Clicking this will take us into Apple CarPlay, where we can go into the different apps that are available. Got maps, music, which I use Tidal. You got messaging via WhatsApp or iMessage. Any new messages will show a notification and you can click on them and it will read it out to you. WhatsApp, it will read out the messages if you want it to. You can download DAB radio apps. I can go through my music collection and choose what I want to listen to. So it's real nice and intuitive. Works very much like an iPhone. It's a nice smooth screen, bit of a split screen if you want to have a bit more information at the same time there. I mean, that's pretty much it. I could give you a quick look at the DAB because it's probably the only other menu that you would use. DAB, you've got presets along down the side here. Up to 15 presets. And here's where you would search for your radio stations. So as you can see, customers getting a lot of radio stations now. List goes on, and you can go straight to the bottom of the list with that, top list with that button, or page down with the inner arrows. We can add reverse cameras to these. This is what the reverse camera looks on this, but it was already fitted on the vehicle. Not really the best image, but to be honest, we're in a workshop and there's a light directly behind it, so that's going to affect the vision a little bit. That's pretty much it. That's an 8021. This is a Defender. If you've got a Defender, you want an audio upgrade, security upgrade, or a radio upgrade, or any other upgrade for that matter that involves car electrics, give us a shout and we can get something sorted for you. Many thanks for watching, take care and goodbye.